And that's how easy it is with Flag Trader. And there's more. As a Flag Trader Inner Circle member, you will get access to my monthly online training sessions for the first 90 days, where we review what's driving the markets, what people should be careful of, and what kinds of opportunities are out there for you to trade. My students love these because it's an added element of ongoing education and support that they just don't get anywhere else. So you've got the course to learn how to trade the method, you've got the online software to help you find the opportunities, and you're going to have at least 3 months worth of private tutorial coaching from me on our monthly webinar sessions. Now, let me talk candidly about proof. Most of the gurus out there wouldn't dare open up their brokerage statements and show you they can actually succeed with their method, but I'm going to do exactly that. But I'm not just going to show you my statement. I'm going to share with you the actual success of one of my students.
So these are the kind of results that are possible when you're using Flag Trader and when you've got the trends in your favor. So looking at one of my accounts from an October period right through to March, I started with an account value of $14,501, 0.56 to be precise, and within the first month that had been more than doubled to over $31,000. Within another month, that amount had been trebled again to over $107,000. That's a huge increase. And then the following month, it was up again to over $128,000. And then the following month, in February, it was up to $143,582.97. And then in March, it went to $187,641.47. That's an astonishing increase in value, simply by trading flag patterns and breakouts. Now let's have a look at another account here. This is one of my students, and you'll see that his account is actually based in pounds sterling. His opening balance starting on the 2nd of June was just over £2,500. Now what you're about to see here is a bunch of trades, and each trade is marked to market each night. So it's summarized each night and then reenacted the next day. That's why you see so many trades. But you'll see now on your screen lots of bits of the trading statement all piling up here for the month of June. So let's see a summary of all that. Well, starting off with an account size of just over £2,500, I've also got a right-hand column there of just over $5,000, which was the dollar equivalent at the time. Let's take the account right from the beginning. So on the 2nd of June, which is the first day of the account, he made a loss of £103 or $207. Then on the next day, he makes a big profit. So now the account is into profit, and it continues on the next day. The following day, he makes a slight loss. The following day, he makes a big profit. And again the next day, and again the next day, and again the next day. So this account is now hugely in profit. And don't forget, these figures are the daily profits on this account, starting with just over £2,500, or on the right hand column, just over $5,000. This is a huge return on investment. The next day he makes a slight loss, and the next day, and the next day. So that's 3 losing days in a row, but they're quite small compared to the wins. Following day he's back into a big profit, and then there's another one even bigger the following day, followed by a slight loss, then another big profit, and another big profit, followed by a tiny loss, followed by a fairly big loss. That's the biggest daily loss he's made, but that's then followed by a huge profit the next day, the biggest daily profit he's made. Now, of course, you can't always have winning days in trading. It doesn't happen that way, but you've got to minimize your risk, and that's what he's definitely done here. The wins are bigger than the losses, and there are more wins than losses, and there's more profits here, and that gives you a total profit here. This is a profit of £5,396.76, or over $10,700. That's a profit from an account that started with just over £2,500, or just over $5,000, and that gives you a percentage increase of 210.81%. That's more than trebling his money. That's more than trebling the initial £2,500 to over £7,000 now. Let's have a look now at a weekly trading summary of this. So in week 1, Richie made £1,265.43 profit, or $2,500 of profit. The second week, he made over £748 profit. The third, he made £1,388, and the fourth week of that particular month, almost £2,000, or almost $4,000 of pure profit. So that gives you a total profit again of almost £5,400, or $10,800 odd. which again is trebling his money in just 1 month. And Richie is by no means the only person who's had results like that.
So that's what my student was able to do and what you will be able to do too. Now I know what you're probably thinking, these are fake results, right? No, not a chance. These are real results from real people just like you. The only difference is that they made the choice to take a positive step for themselves and took the action. In fact, another student was able to grow his account from $10,000 to $140,000 in 2 years, and that includes his losing trades that happened as well. So, if you're ready to take control of your portfolio again, if you want to learn how you can really grow your portfolio instead of watching it shrink again and again, if you want to learn how to be ahead of the next market breakout, if you want to have access to the unique tools that do most of the work for you, then please join me as an Elite Inner Circle member today. Now, here's what you get as an Elite Inner Circle member. The full Flag Trader course, including 8 CD-ROMs with my simple step-by-step instructions on mastering the stock markets and my smart strategies for protecting and growing your portfolio. Second, exclusive access to the Inner Circle area where you'll get the Flag Trader scanner, which does 90% of the work for you, and my personal alerts sent directly to you. Third, 90 days free access to my private tutorial club, so you can keep building your confidence with my exclusive online trading sessions every month. And you'll also get access to the OVI, which is my indicator and which no one else can provide you. Remember, I've never offered this to my students before as part of the Flag Trader course, so this really was a big deal for me, and I'm really excited to do it because it gives you yet another edge over all the other traders out there. And this OVI indicator is a game changer. You're also going to get 1 year of complete and total telephone and email support. I believe fully in making sure you understand and are able to successfully trade my method. And I'm so positive I'm going to be right there by your side for the next 12 months. You're also going to get a no-risk 30-day money-back guarantee when you get my Flag Trader course. Try it, and if for any reason you don't feel it's for you, then send it back. No questions asked. I only want serious people who are tired of struggling and who don't want to be frustrated with losing their future. So I'm going to take all the risk to prove to you that I can help you. I'm really looking forward to helping you succeed.